Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new or you're just tuning in, my name is Sydney and today I'm super excited to bring you guys another video. I am super excited because I have teamed up with Sam's Beauty to bring you guys this video. If you are interested to see how I achieved this 54-inch ponytail braid, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so when Sam's Beauty hit me up, I didn't know what to pick. I was so overwhelmed. I just didn't know what to choose from, but I wanted to do something different, so I picked up some braiding hair. They sent me 2 packages of this hair, and this is the Studio Limit pre-stretched braiding hair, and I like this hair because it has some spice on the ends. So we're gonna do a braided ponytail, and I'm gonna take you guys along the process and show you how I do my braided ponytail. But before we get into that, I just want to let you guys know what I use to slick down my hair. So of course I used some water, and then I used my Curl La La from Aunt Jackie's. This stuff is my jam, y'all know. It smells so good too, so I just wet my hair down, put some of this as a barrier before I put my gel on top, and I love this gel. I'm like torn between this gel and the Eco Styler gel. I feel like sometimes when I use this gel and I need to switch it up and use the Eco Styler gel, it just does something to my hair. But I also do love this gel just as much. And I don't know if y'all use this gel, but I usually get it at Target because it's like $2, but I feel like the packaging got smaller. Like, if you guys use this gel, then you know the one with the blue top, it was much bigger. It says it's the same amount of ounces, but y'all know me. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know what I use to slick my hair down. This is my typical everyday bun. I know wearing your hair in a bun is not that good for your hair, but that's what I do. Okay, so now let's jump into the braiding hair. I actually have both packs right here, just one's open and one's not. This is what the hair looks like. This is 2 bundles of the hair, and I'm just going to take my little scrunchie like this, and I'm going to place it over and under and tie it in a knot. So that way I have something to wrap around the base of my ponytail. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put my ponytail through this loop and put it over my head. And you want to make sure that it's super tight because you don't want the braid moving when you start to braid your hair. Okay, so now that that is secure on our head, I just want to come and show you guys that this hair is a moment. It's making me want a blonde ponytail. Super cute. This hair is also super long. It's 54 inches. So on me, my ponytail is about to be super long, and we love that. So yeah, this hair is super cute. It goes well with my whole little pink Barbie vibe that I got going on. So yeah, I'm just gonna take a wide tooth comb and start sectioning it. This is my comb. I'm just gonna start by detangling the hair so that it is ready for separating. Okay, so now that we have our 3 sections, one's in the back, I'm going to be taking some Shine Jam, and I'm going to be taking some and blending it with my real hair and the fake hair so that we don't have no hair sticking up. So I'm just going to take some, like so. As you can see, my real hair is right here. I'm just going to take some Shine Jam and place it like so, and then I have my little brush right here, and I'm just going to comb it with the hair so that it is flat. I'm going to do that to all sections. So we have this side, it needs a little bit more on the back. I'm going to be taking it like so and doing each section of hair like that so that my real hair blends with the braiding hair. I also like using the Shine Gem because it won't revert your hair. Like, I think I'm having so much problems right now because my hair is still a little bit wet, so I'm taking the Shine Gem to blend the hair with real hair. So now that we got that out the way, you want to make sure you are leaving a little piece of hair out so that you can wrap it around. That little piece is clearly in my mouth right now. So after you do that, you can proceed with the braiding process. Now, I'm sorry that I couldn't get all the angles right, but I braid underhand and that's the only way I know how to braid, so please forgive me. But yeah, I'm just gonna simply braid my way down these 54 inches, okay?
A few minutes later.
Okay, so now that we have our braid, we are going to take our wraparound hair, put a little bit of that shine on the wraparound hair. Now, you can either use shine or got to be. A lot of people use got to be on the wraparound part so that it can stay, but as long as you wrap it tight, it shouldn't have no problem staying. I like to use this shine because it adds a little shine to it. So don't be afraid to just use the shine, run your comb through it, and just wrap it around. Now, I get really sensitive around the nape of my neck, so I'm not going to wrap it too tight, but you do want to make sure you are hiding the elastic band, so just wrap it around till there's no more hair to be wrapped around. And as long as you pull it tight, you will not need a bobby pin. So the longer or the easier it is for you to wrap around and pull tight, you don't need no bobby pin, because I cannot stand a bobby pin piercing my brain out, okay? So this is what we are looking like. Let me go through and space some of these out, and I will show you guys the finished result. So yeah, guys, this is the finished result. I hope you like it. Keep in mind, I am not a professional braider and I can only braid one way. I cannot braid the other way, so please don't drag me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description so you can check out where to get this hair from, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.